Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not working problem solved. Step number 1. At first you have to check your data. Is it on or off? Make sure that your data should be on. And after that, number 2, you have to go for Play Store and search for Spotify app. So guys, if your Spotify app is not update now. So after this, you have to go for setting and search for app management. So at first you can see this app list, and from here you have to select Spotify. So here we got Spotify. So you have to click in this force stop. After that, storage users, you have to clear caches, and after that clear data. And after doing this, come to the permissions, storage. Make sure that your app is alone. Again, after doing this, come back to the settings again and search for the software update. So guys, make sure that your software update should be updated. If it is not updated, then please update now. So guys, if it is not working, then switch off your mobile and turn it on. Thanks for watching this. Thank you guys.